It's Monday morning. The puppies are officially 2 weeks old. Pretty much everybody's eyes are either open or starting to come open. And they are growing very well. Everybody's well over 2 pounds, and we've got a couple that are right at 3. They're doing great. As of today, the 18th of May, we still have Mr. Purple available, the last little male in the litter. Hello, Purple. Here he is. And then we have the little pink female. She's just hiding in the blankets there, but she's available for sale. And this is Peach over here. And then cute little orange. Both of those are females, and they're both available. And oh, you can see they really like each other. Yes. So I think that out of the puppies we still have available, orange would be the darkest. And probably, well, it's very hard to tell, but maybe peach and little purple right here are probably the lightest. And pink is somewhere in the middle there. So, I thought I'd give you this little update. They are doing so well, and we really appreciate you checking them out and joining us as they grow. We'll talk to you again soon.